Rich Schneider. I'm the coordinator of the Plateau Indian Art on Main Street project that is part of a grant from the Oregon Community Foundation. Shelley Curtis Rogers was the mayor of Joseph, and it was really her vision that gave us the streetscape that we have now.
At the time I was the mayor, we needed to do something to diversify our economy. And me being an artist, bringing the arts into our community as, a real forefront seemed like a real logical thing to diversify our economy at the time, because we had 3 foundries, we had probably 10 galleries on Main Street, and we had all of these bronze artists that were here, and we did not have a streetscape that was befitting of a community that needed to invest something into the arts.
We're asking for a plateau artist to give his or her interpretation of the land and the soul of this place.
Here are these people that are so significant to our community, and where are they? I have longed to have something on our Main Street that genuinely represents the Native American energy and spirit that is here.
We're grateful for having been called upon today to this, our ancestral home, for we are descendants of the Joseph band of Nez Perce, who once made their home in this area. I honor this gentleman as a descendant also of our people.
When you create something like a sculpture, you see it in your mind first. Within a matter of minutes, I could see this thing. I had to do some drawings and, a clay model, but I pretty well knew exactly what I wanted to do. The concept was the removal of the Nez Perce from the valley and silhouette the top of the mountains to represent the valley. And then the big vacant space in there, which is in the shape of a woman, was removal. And that also is a little spiritual because the wind and weather can go through that portion of it. I chose the red color because it's very native, and granite is so permanent. It represented the mountains. I represented the people that lived here. The return was the bronze coming back into the valley. She has a cornhusk bag, and on her cornhusk bag is a star, the Nez Perce star. And then on her sleeves is dogwood plants on each side of her. Besides being my mom's favorite tree, I was trying to think of incorporating my family as part of this. My mom, she spoke the old language, and she would talk to all the old people before there was so much slang added to the language, and I was kind of out of respect for her that I did that. It's very symbolic, every bit of it.
I'm really appreciative to Doug for making his sculpture of a woman. I think that's important. So much has been written about our men, but very little attention has been paid to American Indian women. The Wallowa Valley citizens are really nice. You welcome us home, but you need to know the land welcomes us. The land is happy that we're here. And it's a very big day when all of us get to come together for something like this, to a homecoming where there are people from all 3 reservations and people who have traveled far to pay homage to not only our ancestors, but to our future here in this valley, because we look forward to a rich and wonderful relationship with our homeland in the future. Thank you.